India moved from cash to QR in less than a decade. From a pawn shop to a tech startup, one platform did it all. We are talking about UPI, India's digital backbone. How UPI changed India forever and why it matters for AI in finance. Well, UPI is everywhere. From a fruit vendor to a $1 billion startup, UPI connects all, right? And it was launched by NPCI, which is National Payment Corporation of India, and it enables real-time 24/7 instant payments. Okay, so UPI is Unified Payment Interface. Let me write it. Unified Payment Interface. Okay. Yes. So UPI in numbers, UPI as of June 2025 recorded 12 plus billion transaction, and the value is $2 trillion. So it is not crores, just 2 trillion, right? And it has more than 300 million plus active users, which is a lot. Okay, which is a lot. And it has more than 500 plus million endpoints. So like 500 plus million people have QRs, right? Quick response codes, which looks like this. Okay. So for measuring the impact of AI and how not AI, actually I do many things in AI. So yeah, so, UPI. Okay, UPI, the impact framework, which we have called DIRE. Okay, DIRE. Well, it do not sound good, but okay. So UPI democratized payment. Anyone can accept and pay to everyone. So it is bank to bank transfer, right? Infrastructure led growth. Fintech built on the top of UPI. So what we mean by fintech is, let me say, a Paytm. So when Paytm came, it was a wallet based payment system, right? But after the advent of UPI, they also pivoted to the bank to bank method of transferring money. Like there is no like issue of loading your money in the wallet, which kind of like create some insecurity in a person, that will they be able to get their money back. And it is a real time 24/7 or 365. We know more than everybody, and it empowered the self. So this is also something which impress me all the time, that everyone is using UPI and how seamless it has made. Although sometimes when we see that the bank server is not available and we are not able to do UPI payment, it is something which we should care about. So the other is, okay, so I made this presentation with AI, so you can see the credit is credit cards and UPI. Okay, leave it. So UPI changed the game for India. UPI leapfrogged India past the traditional card based system. Try to remember, when was the last time you used card? I don't remember when was the last time. So India went mobile first, not plastic first. Plastic is obviously we are referring to cards, right? The credit cards, the debit cards, right? I believe a card which we use more than these cards is our metro card, isn't it? For Delhi people. UPI is not only a payment platform, but also it is a data firehouse. Every transaction is a data point: who, where, when, how much. Billions of transactions generate perfect data for machine learning. So what happened in India is, you need to be aware about this word called JAM, which is Jan Dhan, Aadhaar, and mobile. To understand the India's fintech landscape, we need to understand these three things. Jandhan came with an idea to open accounts. Aadhaar is to verify, and mobile is to like be a means of payment, right? Okay. Now AI use cases powered by UPI data. So credit scoring is one thing. So we all have heard about CIBIL, but right, but a thin file customer which do not have a credit history, so when it comes to them, there is no way of doing credit scoring for them. Here the alt data credit scoring, right? So like from their UPI behavior uh, we can put them in a risk category. Then we have cash flow predictions for MSMEs. Like they also from their UPI data can look that what is the cash flow, how the cash is coming. Then fraud detection and personalized offer. So personalized offer is more of a fintech specific domain, but yeah, it is also happening. So what this means for India, right? India, it is built in India and all the financial details are in India. Okay, leave Paytm, if you know, you know. And global interest is also rising. So the pay now, I don't remember which country it's belong. Maybe you can tell me in the comments. And India is creating a AI finance model for the world, obviously. So final takeaway is that UPI didn't just digitize the payment, it created the infrastructure for AI. So rather than a tech miracle, it is a combination of solved problem, solving problem, solving real problem, I would say, through a seamless mode. So next time when you pay using UPI, just try to feel the magic of what it has done. And thank you.